and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Over here I do all things home decor. I do thrifting, I do shopping hauls, I do a lot of tablescapes and a little bit of cooking. So if that's something that you enjoy, then do hit that subscribe button before you leave today, and I hope to see you back over here on another video. So today what I'm going to be sharing is my fall bar cart. I love decorating my bar cart for the seasons, and so I've put together a very simple bar cart for the fall season that I'd love to share with you. I hope you enjoy it. So this is a part of a collaboration called the Fall Bar Cart Collab 2020, and it's hosted by my YouTube sister Marilyn over at Fabulous Designs on a Budget. She hosts this collab every season, and all she asks us to do is to decorate our bar cart for the season and share our favorite fall drinks. So stay to the end so that you can see that. And this collab is always hosted with Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. So make sure that you stop by both of these talented ladies' channels when you leave here today and show them some love. They'll be sharing their lovely bar carts, and there will also be a playlist to share. So stop by there as well. So here we are with my bar cart. It is very simple, but it is in my black and white colors that I have for the season. So I am loving it. So let's take a closer look here. So I have a drink shaker here, and it's on a little ladder stand that I picked up at the Pottery Barn outlet on clearance. I thought it was really different, so I picked that up. My ice bucket is actually one that I thrifted last year, and it was gold, and I decided to spray paint it matte black to go with my fall decor because I didn't want to buy a new ice bucket and I knew I wanted a black one. And then I just have a pumpkin that says grateful. I picked that up at Hobby Lobby last year. And back there I have my wine opener that I also thrifted, and it is by Le Creuset, another great thrift find of mine. And I just have some straws back there. And then on the bottom shelf I've got more pumpkins, and I got them in a bowl that I also thrifted, and this bowl really gave me the Restoration Hardware matte black brass vessel bowl that they had. When I got this, it was in pretty grungy shape, but I took it and I decided to spray paint the bottom of it matte black and leave the brass on the inside, and I really love the way that it turned out, and I can see how I'll be incorporating this in my decor over the seasons. But right now I'm just using it for pumpkins, and it's working out just fine. So this is the look. I love the way it turned out. I love the way that it matches with all of my fall decor. I went very non-traditional this year for fall with the black and white, but I'm really enjoying it so far. So I'd like to give a special thanks to both Marilyn and Kimberly for hosting this challenge. This is one that I enjoy participating in each season. I do enjoy decorating for the season. So if that's something that you like, please be sure to subscribe today and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And make sure you stop by our host channels, the playlist. They'll be in the description box, and you will get some great inspiration for your fall bar cart. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you back over here next time. Also, stay to the end, and here is my drink. So the drink I'm sharing is an apple cider mimosa, and it's a very simple recipe. All you need is some champagne, a cup of apple cider, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And you can do your rim around your glass if you want to do that, but you just basically mix the ingredients together and it is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and until next time, bye-bye.